In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a hosting or error page and get your website back online quickly. Dealing with website errors can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need your site to be up and running for your customers or audience. But the good news is that most of these errors are easy to troubleshoot. If this video helps you resolve your connection issues, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any future tech tips. Alright, let's get started with the troubleshooting process. First, you need to head over to the hosting or website and log into your account. Once you are signed in, navigate directly to the Websites tab where all your hosted domains are listed. Find the specific website that is displaying the error and click on the Dashboard button located right next to that website entry. This will take you to the specific management panel for that project. Once inside your dashboard, look for the File Manager tool. You are going to want to open the public_HTML folder, as this is where your website's core files reside. Upon opening this directory, your primary task is to check if an index.html or an index.php file exists. If these files are missing or corrupted, your server won't know which page to load first, which is a common cause for those annoying error pages you might be seeing. If you confirm that your files are present, the next step involves checking your domain settings. Navigate to the Domain section and click on DNS. Here, you need to ensure that your domain is correctly connected and propagating as expected. Sometimes, configuration changes or DNS issues can cause a site to appear offline even if the files are correct. Verify that your A records and name servers are pointed correctly to hosting your servers. Once you have verified your file structure and confirm that your DNS settings are properly configured, go ahead and reload your website in a fresh browser tab to test the connection. In many cases, these simple steps are all it takes to clear the error. If you are still seeing an issue, double-check that your hosting plan is active and that no other configurations have been overwritten recently. I hope this guide helps you get your site back to functioning perfectly. If this video helped you fix your hosting or error page, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more easy web management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.